So a homeowner has installed two gutter systems, one on the north side, one on the south side, and they're not connected to each other at all. And we're trying to figure out, let me see, select for the north side and south side the number of barrels that are jointly consistent. Okay, so I'm letting N be the number of barrels for north, S be the number of barrels for south, and T is your total amount of water. So 60% of the total will be on the north side, and on the north side, all the barrels hold 100 liters, so 100 times N. And then 40%, 0.4 is a decimal of the total, will fall on the south side. All right, so we need to figure out what N is. So let's solve this equation for T. And the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to write this as 6/10 because you know I like fractions. And that's 6T equals 1,000 times N. If you multiply both sides by 10, you know it clears the fraction. And then I have T equals 1,000 over 6 times N. Now, if you look at your choices for north side and south side, they're integers, okay? So T is also going to be the integers. So a great number for this N to be will be 6, because then those 6's would cancel. And you can go through the same logic for the south side, and you're going to want S to be 4. And that is the correct answer, 6 and 4.